Read, create, learn, play, and connect with the County Library in June. Kick off a summer full of books, new experiences, exploration, wonder, and unity at our biggest party of the year. We're hosting 3 Summer Reading Kickoff parties on Friday, June 2nd from 5 to 8 p.m. Parties are taking place at the Daybreak, Granite, and West Jordan branches. Pick up a reading record or learn how to track your summer reading and experiences electronically, and enjoy Unity-themed crafts, photo ops, games, music, and entertainment. Activities will vary by branch. Find out more about summer reading at thecountylibrary.org/summer. We've partnered with the Natural History Museum of Utah to show kids and their caregivers how to be active participants in scientific research while discovering the wonders of biodiversity in their own backyards. Hands-on activities will expose the entire family to an amazing world we often overlook that's sitting right outside of our window. Our first Backyard Naturalist program will be at Magna on Tuesday, June 13th from 3 until 4:30 p.m. Learn all about the big biology happening in small spaces. For more dates and info, check thecountylibrary.org/NHMU summer. Few things rival the energy of live music. Feel every note and drumbeat at the County Library's First Friday concerts. Shows take place every first Friday of the month. June's show features Company B and the Timpanogos Big Band, who deliver the art of song, covering everything from Adele to the Andrews Sisters, with multiple vocalists and a classic big band sound. Enjoy an unforgettable night out, complete with mouth-watering food truck fare and fun for all ages. For more information and future dates, check thecountylibrary.org/concerts. And amateur astronomers of all ages are invited to learn more about the night sky and get a closer look at celestial bodies and their hidden secrets through some of Utah's largest telescopes. See our solar system and beyond like never before through various types of telescopes as members from the Salt Lake Astronomical Society explain fascinating worlds, nebula, galaxies, and stars. There are some surprising things hovering in the night sky. Learn all about them at the Magna branch and see our full schedule of star parties at thecountylibrary.org/star party. And remember, we have telescopes you can check out at every branch if you can't make it out to a star party. More info is available at thecountylibrary.org/telescopes. Thanks for joining us for Connect. We can't wait to read, create, learn, play, and connect with you in June.